cold here. What are we doing? In Florida.
Scott and I haven't seen snow for almost 2 years, I think. Welcome to our journey in faith. On today's episode, we wrap up at Triple S Ranch in Arkansas. But before we do, let's take a look back to work that began here at the ranch. So we're all caught up, but what's Scott up to now?
One more, baby.
So what are you doing?
Getting these nails out so I can put this shiplap on. Alright, what were we doing here? Well, this is lined up pretty good.
Rotate spray tip back to spray position. And ensure the spray tip guard is tight. Here is the elusive Magnum Pro X19 that Scott used at Amazing Grace.
Well, we've finished up here at Triple S Ranch. And, we're sad to be leaving, but we're closing on Thanksgiving, and I just want to give you a tour of what we got done. All right. So this is the outside wall. This is the wall that had the cabinets, and it ended right here. And we extended this wall out. You know, we got lights up here, and the guy that's making the vanity will also make a counter this whole length, the microwave and a refrigerator, and a coffee bar here. That's why the plumbing's on the outside and the electrical. Here's leading into the large bathroom here. Got the spray, got the ceiling put in, got the shower, in. This is the stackable washer and dryer area. They're having the vanities made, so the vanity will go here, and of course the toilet. And so we got it up. And then the other bathroom, we got this completed in the master bedroom. We did not have time to finish the bathroom in here. We got the shower in, and of course they're making the vanity, and so it just needs shiplapped and painted and the ceiling put in. But the plumbing and the wiring is finished, and so they'll either have another crew come in and finish this, or something we'll tackle in April when we're coming by on our way to New Mexico for the big project out there. Maranatha.